guys, it's your girl Spice Mommy and I am back with another video for the channel. Yes, I'm back with another banger video, and in today's video we're going to be doing the guess what's inside my mouth challenge. We got the little goodie bag.
Okay.
The blindfold, we left it inside and we're not going to go against every blindfold, so we'll just close your eyes. So we're not going to give somebody a tea. Guys, me serious, don't look me serious. You see why I said we can't do this with your teeth, you know? Oh my gosh, brother, lucky eye. Put your rug over your face.
No, me not open my eyes.
Cover it.
Me not open my eyes like no. Can't just guys.
I'm not messing with clothes, gosh.
Yeah, ooh!
Come down with your face. Open your mouth. And you have to put this item completely in your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Honey, open your mouth. Yeah, teeth. Me not do this video. Yeah, teeth. Me not do this video. I swear to God. Me not do the video. Me not do video with your teeth. Your teeth. Your teeth. Cause you want me your eye. Me not do video with your lucky eye. Lucky eye. Me not do that lucky eye. Cause your teeth.
I be a neck and put pepper in my mouth.
I know pepper me that put in
I know, but there's single Bible in the mouth.
I don't know what's that. Okay, eye.
So when you put the pan one spoon.
No, so that's fine. I'm going for one blindfold. So guys, yeah.
I don't see anything. Okay.
Give me it. Come down.
Ah, my ears. Oh, I definitely deserve this.
Cut yourself. There's a tea.
That I'll be a squeeze up my eye. My ear.
Alright, done. Make it stay now. Stay
No,
son.
sir. My eye. Coronavirus. What is it called again? We're moving him. And then after this.
Bird box.
Yeah. You ready?
When? No, my tea is my option when I give you.
My belly too much drinking juice.
Oh, mi amor, no? Oh, mi amor. Open your mouth, please.
Guys, I do not trust Abigail. Right.
Open your mouth. yo.
Open.
Wider. Tari, you need put some.
Right.
Stop moving.
Oh no.
You have to keep in it.
I got Prince food. Payak. A Prince food though. This ready. Cat food.
I never get it. I don't trust you, no. I don't trust you with this. I don't.
That you can't order some between and nigga.
Tani, not a lot.
Not
I'm
a lot. I
serious.
swear, no, I mean, why you give me a lot.
Hold on,
Hold on, let me show the moment. Yes, oh, that's what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, Papa.
Eat.
You put it on my hand?
Yes, sir.
What? After that, I know what. I know what from tasty. A cinnamon. Grounded cinnamon. Me have to blindfold she because she cheats.
No,
She thief.
you can't trust me this.
I ain't trusting you with this, boo.
Ooh. Too caught up in drama. Jerk.
It's like long with the mood.
Lagot mo mo, teacher.
Gusto. Langot sa tong.
Gusto mo pala lagot mo mo.
Langot sa tong. Daw may ay.
Ay. Lime. May like it. Lime?
Yo, nada.
Let's have it too.
Stop it, cool.
Nasty.
Why you do that?
What?
Why you put?
You don't like it?
Why you wanna lick it from my face?
Because you like it.
Italian ranch, whatever. Give me the thing.
What? The bag?
The paper.
The paper.
You know, I'ma fight you. I'ma beat you up after this video. Like, no joke, no cap.
The paper. What's the word? Paper.
Can you pass me the paper, please? This one is this bad.
Undetermined.
Put this right here.
We will not
Look.
Look for me. Jesus takes the wheel. Much naman.
Sana inayaan mo yung gear.
Abi?
As I'm more give can take this off and put it in there. Alright, put it in there. Stop. Eat it.
Nasty shit. Mayonnaise.
Got me dirty. Oh. Every time I see me I go do a challenge with messy, I'm say no nasty me up coming on wow. But yet after this. I just come out of the shower. Like, no joke.
Abi?
No nasty on my body, please.
No, nasty everybody come ready back to me.
No, mix not give me.
Nah, mix it.
No, Tani, me know you.
Nah, mix it. I'm glad for sure then.
Yasira!
Come on.
Hold up.
Hey, look here. Me, I beg you, don't follow Dexter.
Abi?
Do not slap my hand in my face. Or else I'm gonna hit you.
No.
Metesi?
No.
Oh, this is mayo. Mayo with cinnamon.
Wrong.
Just mayo?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Well, I got it correct, guys. Put y'all on some. If y'all go Burger King and when I go eat nuggets, get mixed mayonnaise with the honey mustard sauce. Trust me, y'all gonna love it. Again,
My eye closed.
I'm not trust you.
Look. And don't mix up now. Jose. Yes.
You actually don't taste bad.
Exactly.
You have now reached the end of the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and please turn on your post notifications so you can be updated when I post another video. Yeah, guys, remember to stay safe.